In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emails in Brevo. Let's get started on making your next email campaign a success. First, fire up your web browser and navigate over to Brevo's homepage. If you haven't already done so, click the Login button that's usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your Brevo activities. Next, direct your attention to the Campaigns tab, usually located towards the top of the page. Click on it, and you'll see an option that says Create a Campaign. Selecting this will take you to the campaign setup page. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign you want to run. Whether it's a regular email blast or an A/B test, make your selection based on your marketing needs. Don't forget to give your campaign a name and fill in the sender information. This includes your sender name and the email address from which the emails will be sent. Ensuring these details are accurate is crucial, as they help your audience recognize your communication immediately. Now it's time to dive into customizing your email campaign. You'll want to set up or update a few elements including the sender, recipients, subject line, design, and any additional settings you might be interested in. For the design aspect, Brevo offers a variety of choices. You can use existing templates if you want something quick and professional looking. Alternatively, you can opt to create a new design from scratch. Brevo gives you the flexibility of choosing between a drag-and-drop editor, a simple editor, or even HTML custom code, depending on your skill level and requirements. For those using the drag-and-drop editor, this is where you can infuse your brand's essence into your email. Feel free to add your logo, tweak the colors, and use fonts that align with your visual identity. This is your chance to make the email truly yours. After you've finessed your design, it's wise to preview and test it. Brevo allows you to see how your email will look on various devices and email clients, so take advantage of this feature to make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, decide whether you want to send it immediately or schedule it for a later date. Scheduling can be particularly useful if you're working to coordinate your campaign with other marketing activities. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added emails in Brevo. Remember, crafting a thoughtful, visually appealing email can make a significant impact on your audience, so take your time with the design and customization. That wraps up our tutorial for today. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, happy emailing.